Today is the 18th of November at the Sadhana Organic Nature Gardens. We have collected a whole piles of coconut palms which have dried up over the year. We are now getting them chipped and pulverized with this machine. You can see the activity as they go, they just vanish into that bottomless pit. I'll show you the other side how they come out.